Here is today's I can statement. So pause the video, go ahead and write your I can, and then come back and join me. So today is October 12th, 2020, and your I can statement says, I can write numerical expressions to match word problems. We learned last week that numerical expressions are basically number sentences because we were doing order of operations and we were evaluating them. We were finding the value of the numerical expressions. So today we're going to be able to read word problems and you're going to be able to write number sentences or numerical expressions to match those. The key to being successful in doing this is to really be able to comprehend what is happening in the word problem. We almost have to ignore the numbers and we have to think about the actions as if we were doing them in order to understand which operations we're going to put in our numerical expressions. Okay? It's easier than you think, but you really got to be focused. Okay, I have a word problem written down here, as you already saw. I want you to pause the video and get this word problem written in your journal, and then unpause and come back, and we're going to build a numerical expression to match it. Okay, so Jean wants to buy a catcher's mitt for $52 and baseball shoes for $95.75. He has a coupon for $8.50 off the entire purchase. How much will Jean pay for all of his baseball equipment? Okay. What are we trying to figure out? We want to know how much money this catcher's mitt and baseball shoes together are going to cost. So let's go back and let's think about what's actually happening here. Gene is going to the store. He's going to buy two things. Let me get into my camera here. Going to buy two things. He's going to buy a catcher's mitt and baseball shoes. Two things. So when you hear that I'm buying this and this, I wonder if we are going to subtract these two amounts to find the total amount that I need to pay, or are we going to add them together? Think about going to the store. The cashier punches in the amount of this item and the amount of this item, and then the computer adds them together. Okay, so that's what our expression is going to show. So we have the catcher's mitt, which is $52, and oh, I just put that little "and" word. The baseball shoes, which are $95.75. Okay. Now, look at this next sentence, though. It says he has a coupon for $8.50 off the entire purchase. I wonder if it's $8.50 just off of the mitt or just off of the shoes. No, it says it's off of the entire purchase. So how can I represent that in the expression? I can put it in parentheses. Okay, so there's the entire purchase, and we're taking $8.50 off of that entire purchase. there's my numerical expression that matches this word problem. And if I solve it using the order of operations that we learned last week, if I solve and I evaluate it, I find the value, that's going to tell me how much Jean will pay for those two items.